We start the reaction also. Today class duration will be little short only. I have some little work. So let's go. This data you have implemented saving part. Which one? Another one. Another one in the sense. Two more was there, no? This one. Blog and company. Save list is happening. Delete will see now. Okay. Come to the page that is called, which page is that? Page is called this one. Oh, delete is happening. We have made yesterday delete, right? So what is pending? Edit part. Okay, edit is long process actually. Okay, we'll see that. So no problem. Come to the your listing page. I think it's a hook 10. In the listing page, first you import already link we have imported on the top. In the listing page, already link we have imported on the top. Now using the link tag only, we are going to make the edit line. Come to the edit part. In edit block, you have a button here called edit, right? You have a button called edit. In edit, button tag, you will change to link tag. L-I-N-K, link. Here also change to link. Button tag change to link. In listing page, we have edit button. You have used earlier button tag. Now button tag replaced by link. Button tag replaced by link. Button tag replaced by link. Ready? Then after that, we have to write link to. Hello. Yes. Yes. After that, come to the. So you have written link class to edit is fine. Below we need to provide the link to equal to curly bracket open close. Link to equal to curly bracket open close. Inside the curly bracket, link to curly bracket open close. Inside that, you will use the backtick, not the single quote. Backtick. It is before escape key, below escape key. Just below escape key. Backtick, or people call tilde also. Backtick you can call. Okay, written backtick. Now you will write here slash edit book slash edit book slash edit book is not exist. We have to create it. Edit book slash dollar, and again see here why we are writing this, because dollar and all. Why backtick we follow? Because inside this link to, we have to pass static and dynamic both statement together. Static and dynamic both the line we have to pass together. Okay. So for that purpose we wrote edit book slash pass here 5. Edit book slash pass is a 5. Edit book slash 5. Edit book slash 5. Edit book slash 5. So every time it will pass only 5. Right? Every time for every product, what will be the ID? For every product, ID will be 5 only every time. You run the page, go to the browser, click on edit, click on any edit button and look into the URL. Click on any edit button and look into the URL. Click on any edit button and look into the URL. Click on any edit button, look into the URL. URL, what is coming? Edit book slash 5. You can click on another edit, it will say edit book slash 5. Every time, which number comes? Only 5. Now we want to make this point as a dynamic. What we'll do? Edit book slash dollar curly bracket book.id. So it will become as a dynamic. So benefit of this backtick is, static and dynamic statement we can pass together. Some text will be a static text and some text will be dynamic text. Some text will be static and some text will be dynamic. Okay, that is the meaning of this backtick. Check now. For every book, whichever the edit button you click, the number should be different. Book ID will be different now. This link we need to modify. In which way? Hook number 10. If hook number 10, there was a edit button. That edit button we modify like this. Please modify it. This line I am sharing in the chat also. In listing page, hook 10 page, there was an edit button. That edit button we modify like this. Modify कीजिए quickly. एक बटन को मॉडिफाई करना है Okay, so hope you're done. When you click on edit, every time the ID will be different. In browser URL, you can see the ID should be different. So hope modification is done. You can let me know in the chat. Edit link is ready. Okay, now we have to create another component. We have to create another component called editbook.js. Editbook.js. Another component we need to create editbook.js. One person died only. There is one more person. Three doesn't then give them money they will get. So I know if it's there. If we use index to be index, you are generated here. That is not too bad. That is one index of so create the file editbook.js, editbook.js. New book we have no new book. We have a file called new book. Same file you copy and paste and create a edit book. New book.js file we can copy and we can paste again and rename as a edit book.js. Okay. Edit book, copy paste done. Come down. Change the name of the component. Edit book, E will be capital. Edit book. Edit book, come in the last. Edit book. E will be capital. You have to create a new file, editbook.js, and it will be the copy of new book. We have a file newbook.js. We taken a copy of that and we created. Okay, now after creating the editbook.js, you change the name of the component. Edit book. E should be capital. Edit book open, edit book close. Now this edit book again you are going to import into the app.js file. Import edit books from editbook.js. Import edit book from editbook.js. Okay, so hope you imported edit book. Now come down, and under the roots, you are not going to create any link here. Link is not required. Link is already there. Now we need here one roots. Root accept path equal to edit book / ID element equal to edit book okay, so hope you written edit book. Now click on edit and see like page is loading or not. Click on edit and then see page is loading or not. Once you click on edit, the page will load. Once you click on edit, the page has to load. So it is like this. When we click on edit now, next page will appear. For me, something wrong. Not coming. Why? Not compiled still. Edit book. Root exact path edit book / : ID element equal to okay. I have not used this flower bracket. This one. This one. This point was missing. The angle bracket. Angle bracket. Now edit will work. Page will come and URL will hold it in the browser URL. Page will load and URL will hold the ID. Okay, edit book when we have written. Now edit book, this page is loading. Click on edit, you can see this page is loading. Edit page should load. New book only coming, we have to modify that content inside. If now. Next, after that, come to the editbook.js. In editbook.js file, in editbook.js file, you have to import the use params. Import use params. Import use params from React Router DOM. Import use params from React Router DOM. Use params. Right, use params is called. Now come next. In beginning only, receive the variable const ID is equal to use params, because this value ID variable you have given under the app.js file. ID variable we have given in app.js file. Because of that ID we are receiving here. ID variable we have given in app.js file. Okay, written. Now come down below. ID we received. We need to print the ID below and understand whether ID is coming or not. Right here, edit book. The heading here written next to edit book colon that ID. Check your values are printing or not. Edit book colon ID. Okay, check now. Edit book is loading now with ID. So once you click on edit book will come. ID as a 7. Again go back. Edit book. ID as a 8. Right, whichever the book you click edit, that ID will come here. Next, after that, based on ID, we require to fetch the details of a particular book. Based on ID, we need to fetch the details of a particular book. So how to fetch? Let's write here a function. Write a function called const get book info. Get book info equal to URL is required here. URL slash plus ID. So to the backend, if you send this URL with ID, it will give you the particular book details. It will give particular book details. Okay, it will give the particular book details. Come down. You will write here, fetch again, URL, comma, then response.json, again dot then book data. Not book data, book info you can write. Book info. And then below you will call the function called pick name. And via pick name, book info dot name you will assign. We are fetching the details of the book. And after that, their details, name, price, and details we are giving to their respective function. Book info dot price, book info dot details, right? After writing that, we have to come down below and we need to get the use effect. Use state you have call on the top, you call use effect also. Use effect also you can call in the beginning. Use state, use effect both. Okay, written use effect. Come down below. So first this function is written, get book info. Then use use effect called. Now here see, based on this ID, one product details will come. In that name, price and details we are giving to this function. Pick name, pick price and pick details. After that, let's call this use effect. Use effect. Use effect we call here. Use effect. In use effect, you can call that function get book info. Comma 1. Once you go to the edit book, you will find automatically book details will load in the page. Once you go to the book page, we'll find automatically book details will come in the page. Hello. Tell me, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you. No, sir. Okay, written. Now let us see what will happen when you come to the edit page. Go to the book list and click on any edit. Once you come to the page, it will show you the details. Click on edit. Once you come here, it will show their details. Loading or not loading? Loading. Little logical work. The communication between two to three files. Listing page, app.js, edit book. Here, makes your book list slash ID are given. Most people do mistake here. Slash will not give, it will not give you anything. Book list slash is required, then plus ID you do. Slash you have not given, no? That is called fighting for right and forget the responsibility. Waiting for output code is not correct. Okay, so hope you got the details of the book. Getting or not? Book details is coming. Now we need to update. Once you click on save button, what is creating? It's creating the new book. Let's go here again in save function. Book list slash ID, book list slash plus ID, book list slash plus ID. In the save function, URL you have written book list slash plus ID, give book list slash plus ID you give. Wrote it. Written book list slash book ID. Come down below. Below we have post option. Inside post option, which method you have written? Post. We need to write called put. Post replaced by put. Post replaced by put. After that, book will update. Post method replaced by put, and after that, book will update. Updating. Updating. Okay. So we'll go here. Suppose my product name is called Apple. I'll write Apple 99. 100 I'll convert into 1000, and good I'll make very good. Very good. And save it. It says like Apple 99. Good, very good. Mango, let me change. Mango, good. Something 100. 10,000. Okay, good. Something. Save it. It's updating. When we add the new value, getting added. When you want to edit, we are able to edit that. Edit is also happening. You are able to delete that. You are able to save that. Please check now. This all functionality happening. Now similar way, I hope you have done for the saving the blog, listing the blog, deleting the blog. You need to edit the blog. Similar way, you need to do for the company saving, listing, deleting are made. Now you need to do the edit of the company. Right? If you try, then it will be important for you. That should not be optional work. That should be compulsory work. Right? You go any interview, everywhere you have to do this work. Join any company, you have to play this work. Getting the data from server, giving to the user to edit, after editing, updating to the server, displaying the data in different format. Data come always from the backend, right? So this all are the main work for the developer. So आपको इसके ऊपर कुछ काम करने हैं, okay? Please work on this little. For that purpose only, we have created Okay, so let me share you the files. Yeah, a better SRC folder I'll give you everything. You can use that. Okay, SRC folder came to chat. File also I'll send you individual. That is called hook 10 file. After that, app.js file, edit book. Then after that, new book, edit book. Then app.js. Indirectly, all are sent in the SRC folder. So everything is available in SRC. You can use that.